If you're a first-time buyer, or it's been a while since you made your last home purchase, the closing process may seem daunting. It's true, there are a lot of moving pieces leading up to closing day, but there are 5 questions to ask yourself in order to prepare to close on your new home. First, what am I buying? After your offer is accepted, you typically have a due diligence period. Side note, in the current market, competitive buyers are often waiving contingencies, including due diligence. I personally like to always include a due diligence period, even one as short as a couple of days, to allow you as the home buyer some peace of mind. Use this due diligence period to inspect the property thoroughly. This could be the biggest investment you ever make, emotionally as well as financially. So learn everything you can about the property before you seal the deal. Hire a licensed home inspector to do a full review of the property. You may also want to hire specialized inspectors, depending on the features of the property, like a pool or septic system. Second, what sort of loan am I getting? Before closing on your new property, you will get a stack of papers that you will initial and sign at the closing table. Make sure you know what you are signing. Is the interest rate the same as what you were quoted? When is your first payment due, and where do you send it? Do you have a prepayment penalty? All important questions to ask and have answers to before you seal the deal. Your lender should have no hesitation to answer any of these questions. Third, how much money do you need? You may have financing in place, but you will probably have to bring some amount of money to the closing table. This could be closing costs, down payment, or an appraisal gap. Be sure to know where that money is coming from and how it's getting there on the day of closing. The closing attorney can provide wiring instructions if needed, and keep in mind, if wiring funds, give your bank plenty of time to execute the transaction. Don't wait until the morning of closing. Fourth, is everything turned on? Have you contacted the utility companies and transferred that property's utilities into your name? Be sure that you have the addresses, account numbers, and all contact information for utilities, including electric, gas, water, trash, property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA, and any maintenance items that transfer with ownership of the home. Being proactive with these things means smooth sailing after closing. Finally, did the previous owner follow through on their end of the bargain? You may have negotiated some repairs with the previous owner. Did they complete the repairs they agreed to, or did you receive a credit for them? If receiving a credit, is it on your closing statement? It needs to be. Don't skip a final walkthrough of the property. It's your chance to verify key systems are in working order, the seller has cleared out their belongings, and any stipulations from your contract have been fulfilled. Then you can have peace of mind at the closing table. See, not so bad. Closing on your new home is so exciting, and as your realtor, I'll make sure every step of the process runs smoothly. I'm Cindy Bunch with the Bunch team at Keller Williams, and we want to set you up for home buying success.